Today marks 1 week since a devastating and deadly storm slammed into northwestern New York. Cleanup and recovery efforts continue after state officials called in resources like the National Guard to help. Right now, more than 600 guardsmen are conducting operations, including going door to door for welfare checks. And as of tonight, the storm has claimed the lives of at least 40 people.
The most important thing is our community moving forward and helping those 39 families that we're aware of, with unfortunately more that'll probably be coming, get through this tragic situation of losing a loved one.
Yeah, it's going to be really difficult. So now the problem is shifting from the snow to flooding as the temperatures in the region reach into the low 50s. New York's governor says the state is ready to deploy nearly 800,000 sandbags and more than 300 pumps and generators if needed.